is Suba and I'm a math expert, and today we're going to go over how to use the period to evaluate a sine function. So basically, when we have a sine function or a cosine function, they're all cyclic, which means they go in cycles. This would be one cycle, and then it would come back and do the exact same thing. So if we're trying to find a value, it doesn't matter if we're here or here, it's the exact same value. Which is why sometimes it's easier when we get a large value to rewrite a sine function as sine equals q plus 2 pi times k, where k is some whole number. Because 2 pi is the period of the sine function. So if it goes over 1 2 pi, we would just start here. If it goes over 2 2 pi, we would just start there. So however many we can take out, we're just going to take out and ignore this, because this is also going to be equal to sine of q. And then we have a much simpler value that you probably already know. And that's how you use the period to evaluate a sine function. My name is Suba, and thank you for taking an interest in math.